61 people in Yorkshire, England thinking, at least there's beer. 61 people stranded in a pub called Tan Hill Inn for 3 days after a strong snowstorm makes driving conditions impossible. Storm downing power lines and dumping 3 feet of snow outside Yorkshire Dales. So the stranded pubgoers reportedly, well, they were safe and they passed the time with karaoke and old movies. And the pubgoers spending Friday through Monday there after attending the Friday concert by an Oasis tribute band called Noasis.